Had on Friday. Karen Morfitt is out there, and folks are still cleaning up. It's going to take a while for this to get back to normal, isn't it?
That's right, David. We had several sites for pickup for these branches open up over the weekend. They were overrun by people dropping off. Same thing again today. And if you drive anywhere on the west side of the metro area, you can see there is still plenty of cleanup to do, like here in the Applewood neighborhood. What we're seeing today and what we're hearing from cities is they expect that steady flow of people to continue for several more days.
I thought it was an atom bomb. I mean, our yard was just decimated with huge limbs.
After a day of picking up and trimming down tree debris, Mark Kuzmanoff and his daughter-in-law Sarah Duncalf were on their second drop-off.
We have got 4 big cottonwood trees, and all of them just got murdered.
Clearly, they were not alone when it comes to the amount of damage left behind in Lakewood.
A disaster. Everybody need me. I've been giving out numbers all day.
John James was among those out early, ready to lend a hand.
JJ Truck and Trailer, and as you can see, I have a truck and trailer, and it's booming.
The drop-off site at the Jefferson County Fairgrounds opened first thing Monday morning. Saw a steady stream of trucks and trailers coming in throughout the day.
We've seen probably about 200 cars, if not, and a lot of repeats.
While it may have made for some extra work, those who know Colorado welcome the moisture and say they've seen it before.
We have a periodic storm like this late on a regular basis. When you've got the mountains so nearby, it's not unexpected.
In fact, they're just making sure to be ready for the next one.
Colorado, my jacket's in the truck. My coat, just in case the weather gets crazy, and it will.
We all know that. We know also that Arvada, Wheat Ridge, Centennial, even Denver, in addition to Lakewood, are all holding their own pickup sites or have resources to help families who need to get rid of some of the debris. We have all the information online at cbsdenver.com, including hours and locations. If you are still looking for a place to get rid of some of the debris, you should take a look. For now, we're live in Lakewood. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
All right.